Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And today is May 25th, 2018. It's been a little less than 60 days since I planted these sugar snap peas directly into these wood chips. Now the wood chips again are about 2.5 years old, but today I want to find out, since they're blooming here and they've been established for a while, there's not a lot of height on this, as you can see. Now our weather has been very poor for the last 2 weeks. It has been non-stop rain, cold, hot, and it's just been a lousy spring for us. And a lot of farmers in the area are suffering very poorly because things are very pale because of lack of sunlight. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this row of sugar snap peas like a 4. This is not very good quality. Again, our spring has not been optimal by any means. So besides just breaking the myth about you can't plant into wood chips, now what I'm seeing here is we have a flower on top of the sugar snap pea. I want to dig that plant up very slowly, and I want to see if this Rhizobium bacteria is inside the wood chips that have been decomposing all this time. If it has formed nodules on its root system. That in itself will be very interesting to find out. And let's see if the bacteria is growing in the root system. Ooh, there it is, right there. Right by my thumbnail here. If you can see that. Right there between my two thumbs, that's Rhizomia bacteria. This little nodule there is forming on the root. Unbelievable. This is how perfect nature is. And here's some more. Again, between my two thumbnails here. Unbelievable. Nice to see. Now here, that's something that I've been growing in a pathway of just pure wood chips, has the Rhizomia bacteria that nature has provided that inside the wood chip area to grow onto the roots of these sugar snap peas. They were not inoculated. I repeat, they were not inoculated at all. And nothing has been growing in this pathway for about 2.5 years. Unfreaking believable. This is fantastic to see. So I stepped inside for a little bit. This way I can clean them up and I can show you better what the Rhizomia bacteria looks like, because their roots are nice and clean now. So let's take a look at the roots. So here's a nice main cluster right here on the root. So let me see if I can turn a little bit and get a better idea what it looks like. Right there. Not bad. Just amazing how it is. There's smaller ones throughout the whole root system here. I don't know if you can see them or not. Like there's one little one there, exactly right through the roots. Now there's not a lot of them, and don't worry about if there's not a lot on your plants or nothing at all. Now it's kind of a 50-50 chance. Now I know since this nodule is here, I have Rhizomia bacteria. You might still have it inside your wood chips, but if your plants are growing healthy and there's no need for nitrogen to help them along, like this has been collecting nitrogen to help the plant health, you might have a lot of nitrogen still in those wood chips that it will not form this. They don't always have to form it. Even if the Rhizomia bacteria is there, they don't have to form it all the time to produce nitrogen that changes into protein that goes into your pea pods. I want to thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please write them down below and I'll get right back to you. Very interesting how Mother Nature works. This is just exciting to me as always. And I will keep you updated a little bit further. I don't think they're going to produce very well. Not because of lacking of the wood chip reason by any means, or not growing in soil, but in wood chips. I think it's just because of our weather this year. But I have other sugar snap peas planted other places of the farms, and I will show you them in later videos. And they're doing much better and taller. Again, they're not as tall as these yet because I just planted them out a week ago or so. But we'll keep you informed. If you have time, please share and like the video, and I will see you soon enough. Thanks very much for watching as always. Thanks.